In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Outlook password. The first thing to know is that your Outlook password is usually not reset inside Outlook itself. Microsoft explains that for Outlook.com, your Outlook password is the same as your Microsoft account password, and for other email accounts, you normally change the password with the email provider first and then update it in Outlook. If you use a personal Outlook.com, Hotmail, Live, or Microsoft account, go to your Microsoft account settings and sign in. From there, open the security section and choose the option to change your password. Microsoft says that if you already know your current password, you can change it from your Microsoft account page by entering a new one and saving it. If you forgot the password and cannot sign in, use Microsoft's account recovery or password reset process instead. Microsoft's support pages explain that you may need to verify your identity, and if standard sign-in recovery does not work, you may need to use the account recovery form. Now, if this is a work or school Outlook account, the steps are different. Microsoft says you should use your organization's account tools, such as the My Account portal or the Microsoft Password Reset page, to change or reset that password. In many organizations, you sign in with your current password, open the Change Password section, enter your old password, then create and confirm a new one. After resetting the password, open Outlook again. If Outlook prompts you for a password, enter the new one. Microsoft notes that for email accounts in Outlook for Windows, you change the password with the provider first, and then Outlook will ask for the updated password the next time it connects. So the key idea is simple. If it's a personal Outlook account, reset it through your Microsoft account. If it's a work or school account, reset it through your organization's Microsoft 365 or account portal, then open Outlook and sign in with the new password. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.